Hello student, welcome to our English class. From last two video we starting the lesson number 4 Anak Krakatoa. Now let us start. A part of old Ireland known as Rokota is still visible in the sea, a little away from the new arrival Anak Krakatoa. After Krakatoa eruption in 1883, first eruption is 1883 August, all the surrounding Ireland and coast were covered with the hot ash. Thrown up ash, mud. So in this way the all surrounding Ireland and coast were covered with hot ash. No life remained. All is destroyed. When the scientist visited in 1884, he found just one spider there. After that, 1883, and after the Krakatoa eruption, all surrounding were destroyed. Coast were covered with hot ash. No life remained. All life remained. No life remained. All life is destroyed. When the scientist visited in 1884, he found just one spider there. But the living world on Rokota was not lost, gone forever. After that, the living world on Rokota was not lost and gone forever. The wind and the sea brought seeds of plants. Wind flowing here and there. Wind and sea brought the seeds of plants to the island. Some seeds come with the birds who flew over the island. Some birds pick up seeds and flowing everywhere. Some seeds came with the birds who flew over the island. Plants and animals that live in the sea came to the coast again. Small animal, land animal like ants, termites or even rats and lizards travel to the island on plants floating in the sea. In this way, students, small land animal like the ants, termites or even rats and lizards travel to the island on plants and floating in the sea. They travel with the sea. One edge of the island was soon teeming with the plants and animal. It was like a laboratory where scientists can see how living things slowly develop in that area. Scientists searched some points. It was like a laboratory where scientists can see how living things slowly develop in that area, erupted area. Today scientists can observe this also in a part of Anak Krakatoa, which does not get covered with volcanic ash. Today scientists can observe this also in the part of Anak Krakatoa, which does not get covered with volcanic ash. The western coast of Java was greatly offered by Krakatoa eruption. Very few human beings were left there. But wild animals and plants in that area grew in the number again. Why only plants and wild animal grew there? Because there is no any human life to disturb them. Very few human beings were left there, but the wild animals and plants in that area grew in number again. How it possible? In fact, the wildlife grew naturally since there were no human being to interfere with it. There was no one there to cut the trees. No any human being to going there to cut the trees or kill the animals, not hunting any animals. So this region become rich in wildlife. So that area become rich the wildlife and plants also. In this way, complete our lesson number 4 Anak Krakatoa.